Now to news in your health. The rise of AI has sparked much chatter among people. Many are concerned with its lack of oversight, while others are leaning in and finding out how it could help them do their work more efficiently. One local doctor is finding it can speed up a diagnosis. Greg Petrics is a researcher at Northern Vermont University, Johnson. He has teamed up with a doctor at Washington State University, Elson S. Floyd College of Medicine. Their goal is to help people with lung issues get a diagnosis faster than traditional methods. They're doing it with artificial intelligence.
We use something called a convolutional neural network, which is a specific tool in the vast world of artificial intelligence. And this tool can detect patterns and shapes in data that are too small for a human to detect in any reasonable amount of time. What we're doing is trying to get that diagnosis in real time. And rather than have to wait for quite a bit of time for the results to come back, it would get back to you immediately.
It could help find serious airway issues in asthma patients. Renee Willard can see the benefits. She struggled with long, drawn-out testing when she was a child.
It's kind of a pain in the butt, especially when you're a kid and you're just like, I just want to go home. I want to play soccer. It's kind of annoying that instead you're giving me this inhaler and we're having this long talk in the doctor's office. It would have been nice when they were diagnosing me with asthma if they could have immediately been like, it's asthma, instead of here's all these attempts to treat you and going to the hospital and checking your lung function.
Petrics says the AI tool he's working with can produce immediate testing results that typically take 2 weeks when using traditional methods. And this could have more uses beyond diagnosing lung issues.
If this is successful and it does go on, the general gist of our code that we use could be copied and used to do all sorts of different projects to diagnose different things.
Meaning this technology could just be the beginning. And the team is hopeful about getting AI into clinical use. Currently, their accuracy rate is already up to 90%.
You're watching Local News That Matters with Bo-Yee Poon and SkyTracker meteorologist Alex Wasilenko. This is ABC 22 News This Morning.